Wait, hold up. Are you Vanshika Sharma, the most valuable contributor of the quarter?
Yes, I am.
We had to meet the person behind all the buzz. Who is Vanshika Sharma and what do you do at Sarthi?
So, Vanshika Sharma is a 23-year-old who have joined Sarthi 7 months ago as a functional consultant. My job is to consult my customers, which are basically our leads, our practice leads, into for their services like on which people work on and their microservices, the tasks that we perform on day to day in our company.
Okay. If we ask your team to describe you in one word, what would they say?
I guess they would say goofy and reliable.
That's nice. Okay, so real talk. When you found out you were named the MVC, what was your first reaction?
I really didn't know it earlier and I was not expecting it based on my review. But when I realized it, it felt really good. Like with the support of the people around here, I have achieved something and my hard work has finally paid off.
What do you think set you apart this quarter, the Vanshika edge?
As I already told you, I have to work with various leads like Himank, Nidhin, sometimes Aditya most of the times. So in those cases, I have realized being transparent with my timelines and my bandwidth is one of the things that has really helped me. So I think that is really helpful.
So basically all the CUs are your customers.
Yeah.
That's a big
And
responsibility.
it is a really big opportunity to work with all of them. Like I work with Ekansh, Shubham and Aditya and also my lead Kavaljit. So they are really inspiring and they teach a lot of things daily.
Wow. Tell us something about yourself that people don't usually see but that plays a huge role in your day-to-day work.
So in my profile, I have to interact with many people. Sometimes you are feeling low in yourself or you have a lot of work. Till at that time also you have to keep a big smile on the faces because while interacting with people, you have to keep in mind you can't be rude or just because you are facing something on the back. So that is one thing that is unavoidable in our cases.
So we need to be somewhere in the between all the
Yeah,
time.
Definitely.
So what's one Sarthi moment from this quarter you'll never forget?
Actually, there are two. Once, when just working with Aditya, randomly he just came out of his cabin and mentioned, I really like how you handle the pressure in this week. So, it was really good that a person who is on this position is at least recognizing what I'm doing and appreciating me for all of that. And also, when my lead, who is very introvert kind of a person who doesn't appreciate much in small things, but he took my side in front of Himank, Aditya and other governance board members that जैसे इसने ये situation handle की, I guess मैं भी नहीं कर पाता. So it was kind of a proud moment because everyone needs appreciation on what they do.
So I think a little compliment can motivate you.
Yeah,
and make you the MVC. And lastly, for the dreamers aiming to be the next MVC, what's your advice?
I might not be the most appropriate person to answer this, but in my experience, having a clear conscience in everything that you do, putting a lot of effort in your work is the only thing that is going to help you. Just follow your work, put your efforts and the titles will follow you all around.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah. I think we all have so much to learn from you. Thank you for your time, Vanshika. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.